Hello, Mzanzi. My mom isn't feeling well today, so I am doing this voice over for her. So you know the show Married at First Sight, right? While Nelisa is confused, she is asking the public for help. She doesn't know if she must leave Temba or stay with him. And please, at the end of the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Guys, let's play judge and jury, even though God has the final verdict. In any case, guys, you all know Mos. You saw the show last week. You saw what transpired. Guys, I want to give you the reasons why part of me wants to leave, and I want to give you the reasons why part of me wants to stay. Ring and day. Guys, what my man did was despicable. It was gross misconduct against him no sisilo bekeze kwishow. Mawayeka amadoda lento abayenzayo ukuthi they don't fully close umnyango abaphuma kuwe before bevula olandelayo. It's grossly wrong. It's grossly wrong, guys. Mabayeke, look at the mess esikuyo ngoku. With that said, I think there's no question about uthando lwakhe for mna. Absolutely no question about Lona. But what's making me gravitate towards ukumshiya, ndobana I feel as though we're building on a shaky ground, on a shaky foundation. Our start was very messy, and indenza ndingakwazi ukudecide ukuthi what's going to be best for us. And ndininike i-inside info ngam nobhuti so that nani eyona decision ibe lula, ne? Okay, ubhuti waconfessa kum before the episode izono zakhe wacela uxolo, ndadecide ukumxolela, and maybe decision yam ufuna ukundijaja ngandijaja, it's fine. Also in the episode end, he picked up the phone wafonela abazali bam, or rather ifamily yam, wabaxalela ukuthi wenze wrong, wacela uxolo, wa-engage nabo. That's point number one. Point number two, this is a provider. Since meeting him, basically, I do not know ukuthi imali yam ndiyenzani. I don't know salary yam. He provides for everything endlini. Also nam uyandinakekela yabo. Like guys, imali yam nje seyaba yam andisayazi noma ndiyenzani. Ubhuti akaso stratmate. Guys, ubhuti akananyawo elirhawuzelelayo elithi hamba uye banganini, hamba uye bumnandini. Ubhuti akangumntu wobumnandi. Surprise, as much as engu-DJ akabuthandi ubumnandi. He only goes out like in a gig. Kulo gig uphofu ufuna unelise cangkwakhe. So I'm not dealing with indoda mna that comes back in the AMs and all of that. I don't have such problems. Or indoda enshiya ebumnandini or kubangani. I don't have such problems. Wenze mna umngani wakhe sihlala phansi ndisela ibrutal yam asaliyeka yakhe sihlale phansi sothi sibukele iTV sibhorana kuba siyaborana. Guys, ubhuti as well, communication yakhe andifuna ukunixokisa. It's on another level. 95% of the time ndiyamazi mna ukuthi umyeni wam uphi, wenzani and why. Uyaripota kubhuti oripotayo, guys. Zange ndimcele uzenzele ngokunokwakhe. Ubhuti lo ngumuntu othi if I tell him that bhuti I don't like 1 2 3 4, he fixes it immediately almost, because he knows ukuthi a happy wife equals a happy marriage. Yes, there's a saying in Xhosa ethi umuntu unesiphatho ubuthemba, guys. Oh guys, one last thing ne. So I never lost myself in the relationship or marriage. I stayed true to myself, and true to myself is unelisi mntakathixo, unelisi prayer warrior. Sana ubhutiza unjoinile. Okay, fine. At first bendiloko ndimncanga ngoku nguye othi nkata mina phantsi edolweni asithandaze. So it's what I've always wanted, a union based on God. Now, this is the funny part of everything. It's like ubumbogoto kunelisa out the door. Like ndingimatefa andimtefile guys ukuthi abantu sisono funeke ndibanjwe for that. Andisakwazi ukuvula anything, andisakwazi ukulifta anything, andisakwazi ukwenza anything funeka yena yenze. And I think he enjoys it. But guys, here's a secret. Akadef. Guys, akakwazi ukulala ngaphandle kwami. Even when I've got work, like when I want to work till late, I must get into bed first naye. Ndimbambe isikhatlishe, he falls asleep, then I sneak out, and then uzolala.